Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten what you were going to do? Or got stuck in the middle of a simple sentence? If this is happening frequently, your brain might be asking for help, and it's not just a lack of attention. Many people think this is laziness, age, or distraction. But when forgetfulness starts to interfere with daily life, we need to take a closer look at the brain. Forgetting doesn't automatically mean Alzheimer's. Most of the time, the problem lies in something much more common and reversible. Neurology calls this brain fog, a feeling of a slow, confused, tired mind, as if the brain is running in power-saving mode. Brain fog can cause difficulty concentrating, memory lapses, slow reasoning, irritability, and a constant feeling of mental fatigue. Anxiety and chronic stress are major culprits. When the brain is constantly on alert, it prioritizes survival, not memory or focus. Poor sleep directly affects memory. It's during deep sleep that the brain organizes information and eliminates toxins accumulated throughout the day. Hormonal changes, such as menopause or thyroid problems, also interfere with mental clarity and the ability to remember. Silent inflammations in the body can affect the brain. Chronic pain, fibromyalgia, and autoimmune diseases often come with brain fog. Some medications can cause cognitive slowing. Therefore, never ignore changes in memory after starting or changing a medication. Ignoring the signs or blaming yourself only worsens the situation. The brain doesn't fail from weakness. It responds to what it's experiencing. Be alert if forgetfulness is frequent, progressive, or accompanied by mood changes, poor sleep, or decreased performance. If symptoms persist for weeks or months, it's time to seek medical evaluation. The sooner you understand the cause, the greater the chances of reversal. The good news is that, in most cases, brain fog improves with appropriate treatment, lifestyle adjustments, and care for emotional health. You are not alone. Many people experience this in silence, thinking it's normal, but it doesn't have to be. If this video made sense to you, subscribe to the channel. Here we talk about the brain, emotions, and mental health in a clear, human, and non-judgmental way.